I am making sure that everything I have is charged. Now, you'd be surprised. Most people will go out there with just their batteries charged, but what about your tablet? What about your cell phone? Controller, battery charger. Well, why would I put battery charger down? Because you can actually charge your tablets, cell phones, and controllers in the field with battery chargers. And I also like to keep extra chargers in the car so that I can charge the drone batteries when I'm on site. Believe it or not, when you're flying multiple missions over a 13-hour period, you're going to burn through some batteries. And the one battery that I really started to burn through the most that I couldn't recharge when I was out there was my tablet. Now, why is that important? Because my tablet serves as my display screen to show me what I am looking at when I'm at the site. So I always made sure that before I went to bed at night, I was making sure that my tablet and my cell phone were on the charger, that my batteries were all fully charged, and that I had multiple battery chargers when I was out at the site so that I could use them to make sure that I could keep charges in my controllers, cell phones, and tablets.